This week, Ramaphosa Kimureki, let the drinking begin. Santaco, South African National Taxi Council, a multi-million industry organization with a suspended website, has a Twitter account with 23,000 followers, like many South African social media influencers. This past weekend, they took their voices to Twitter and thanked the president for moving us to level 2. They're on the next level. With a tweet that read something like, the announcement by the president is welcome, but it must be exercised with caution. I don't know what that means. Coming from people who've never welcomed any decision from the president, people who've been operating taxis at 100% capacity, as if there's no pandemic, as if we are not people, as if there's no tomorrow. Their tweet concluded by saying that the fight against the pandemic is not over yet. Look who's talking. I don't know if I should congratulate them for having a Twitter account or if I should be offended by their tweet. That's like listening to a homeless guy telling you to work hard. And it's not like there's no truth in what the homeless guy is saying, but you can't help it. You can't not help it, but judge the guy who's saying it. You're like, where Malankan world, of all people, you're telling me this. They definitely think we are stupid. They think we are the type of people that send voice notes and then listen to them afterwards because, I don't know why. On Saturday, the president announced that we are moving to level 2. Whatever that thing means. But why? Why level 2 and not level 1? Level 15, level 3. Duh. I know people want alcohol, smoking, but business wants to operate fully. Lorena, we are selling rolling paper. Hayward, 100% black owned. 33 pure white rice paper leaflets packed in a slim, portable, water-resistant, flexible, resellable mailer bag. Something of our own. For bulk orders, leave a comment here. This is not an advert. This is true. This is fact. This is real shit. Sorry. Everyone wants things to go back to normal. But what we don't know is how the president makes such decisions. How does he wake up and say it? It's like the teacher just walked into a grade 6 class and said, Lema grade 7 as of Frandach. And we don't even know why. We all love good news, but this is just too good. They're nice, but they're suspicious. We're eating, but we're like, something more. Captain said. More when you learn that in the same week that the government decided to introduce the easing of current lockdown regulations for our pleasure, the new economic reconstruction and recovery plan that will most likely be getting approved will allow government to access your retirement savings. That's if you have it. And propose the introduction of state-owned banks. I'm not going to say that that's a bad decision or good decision, but why didn't he say, Maloba, when he was on TV telling us alcohol, why didn't he say it on TV to everyone? Why did he say, guys, sure, smoke, date, go out, enjoy. I'll be in the back room managing our grandparents' money, inheritance, whatever you call it. Yeah, just how it will be used in this family. Why didn't he say it? These are the type of guys who chow your girlfriends and hang out with you afterwards. It's not good. You love them, you're wrong. You hate them, you're wrong. It's tough. But enjoy. Anyway.
Quase South Africa. Quase South Africa. Lo putinho mousing. Mas é caslambi. Se compôs. Lo putinho mousing. Why? Let's see. Asam